Hello everyone and welcome to this particular video. In the last video, we saw that what are the steps to generate a particular report for any search query that you perform. So in this video, our report has been successfully generated and it is ready to see. Once you will go to this particular button, which is reports button, if you will click this, then you will come to this particular URL. And you can see our report has been generated successfully. It says Big IP Servers Try RCE. That is the name that we gave to this particular report. And it shows that there are total 958 results. So let us just click on that report and see how does it demonstrate. As you can see, first thing we can see over here is the report name, the query that we used, and it says total 958 results are there stored on Shodan on this particular date. Now here you can see a beautiful graphical representation of the countries where Big IP Servers is being hosted. As you can see over here, United States is the country which has highest number of the Big IP servers, and the count is total 626, followed by UK, Canada, Australia, China, India, and so on, as you can see over here as well. If we move down, then you can see top organizations which are running this particular servers. Here you can see Google Cloud, which is running 187, as you can see the number count over here. Second is AT&T, which is 64. Next is the Boeing company, Microsoft Azure, Verizon Wireless, Amazon, and so on. If you see the top domains, then Shodan has not able to identify or crawl the top domains out of these domains. That's why this part has been kept as blank into the report. Next is the SSL versions. So SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer, which is basically that whenever the communication is happening between a client and a server, the communication should remain encrypted with the help of HTTP certificates. So there was SSL 1, SSL 2, SSL 3, and then SSL was outdated and later on TLS took its place. So TLS 1.0 came into existence, and then it was 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. The latest version is TLS 1.3 that we currently use. There are many significant changes for the cryptographic algorithms that have been updated into the latest TLS 1.3. Outdated ciphers have been removed from TLS 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, which were there into the SSL versions, which actually made the communication vulnerable to interception of the communication and decrypting the cookies or the data that has been flowing between both the parties. These types of attacks fall under the category of SSL TLS attacks, and namely there are few attacks such as Sweet 32, Beast attack, Birthday attack, and so on. Over here you can see that most of the servers are running on TLS 1.2, which is considered as a good thing. None of the server is running on SSL because SSL has successfully outdated. Next we can see SSL expired certificate. As you can see, 906 domains are running on SSL certificates which are not being expired, and 52 organizations out of the total Big IP servers that we saw, that was 958, are running on expired certificates, which mean the communication between the client and server is not anymore encrypted. SSL chain length. As you can see over here, the chain length of 946 particular host is considered to be safe. These are the other number of hosts which has less number of chains. So this was it, wherein we are able to see a beautiful report and understand about the particular query that has given the specific targets. So I hope you guys understood how you can view a report and understand the report. Thank you.